Crime.
Self-control.
Inconsistency. At first, it's like this dead, cold stare. Like, what did I just do? Then it turns into a smile. Dead. Let me see what it looks like. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go that way. Okay.
It's exactly what it looks like.
So Matt, we find you here again. How did that happen?
Once again, Matt has saved the day.
So we decided, because we are quickly running out of daylight, we need to set up a shot in which Bucky will be closing the curtains to establish he's a creeper and the fact that it's now nighttime.
That was pretty good, man. That was pretty good.
What a couple of sickos.
I watch on Project 52, right?
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah. And back up a little bit, I'm sorry. Not so tight.
There must be someone else.
You can't be sure. Maybe he just had some...
I'm sure.
Will you marry me?
We're all in one
I was
day.
gone for a week.
There's no room in that bathroom for me to even get in there for bonus features.
Next week.
Action. Cut. Sorry. And then Bucky walks in the room. He's out of focus. Then we tap him. He goes in focus.
That's cool.
Okay. Cut. Okay. No! Action.
Sick of this shit!
Oh my god!
Week 14. It's a wrap. 26. Great actors. There's creeps. There's more creeps.
Alright, so this was your first Project 52 experience.
Love it.
So much fun.
Can't wait to do it again.
Bring us back.
Just keep it right there. We are toasting that we made 500 subs.
So in honor of that, I had said that I would leave my playlist live bracelet on
You can barely even tell it's
Yes,
a playlist
it's all
live
worn
bracelet
out.
anymore.
until we hit 500 subs. So now I'm going to cut it off in a ceremonious ceremony. Thank you, 500.
Thank you, 500.
1,
1,
2,
2, 3. Yay!
My wrist is free. So thanks again, all our wonderful subscribers. Keep watching, commenting, and tell your friends.
Pass it on.
Please.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Stay tuned.